Engineers at Solara have now automated that process with collaborative universal robots. Accompany us along our journey. While the operator installs frames and glass and custom fixtures, a UR robot handles the complex, delicate, and repetitive task of dispensing silicone sealant. Custom fixtures hold frames and glass in place. Silicone sealant is applied to top and bottom frames. Glass is installed into a fixture that holds the sides in place. Silicone sealant is dispensed to the bottom and sides. Finished tanks are transferred to an exit conveyor. It takes a team to bring the automation to life. Universal robots operate autonomously across multiple stations. Installed in full production, a Solara automation success story. Solara Automation, System Integration Specialists.